This video is presented to you by AEDmarket.com, and in today's video, we're going to go over how to tell if the ZOLL AED Pro is ready for rescue. It's often said that the only thing worse than not having an AED is having one that fails to work when needed. One of the primary reasons an AED may fail is due to improper maintenance. AEDs are very easy to inspect and maintain, and in this video, we'll show you just how easy it is to ensure that the ZOLL AED Pro is ready for rescue. The ZOLL AED Pro is designed with professional rescuers in mind, and most have strict maintenance inspections. The default setting on the ZOLL AED Pro is to perform a self-test every day. This is a configurable option and can be adjusted to your preference. The status indicator will show an alert if a problem is found. This is why it's crucial to conduct regular inspections. On the ZOLL AED Pro, the status indicator window is located on the front panel below the on and off button. It will display a green check if the unit is ready for use and a red X if the unit needs servicing or consumables replaced. Once a month, 3 things should be checked. 1. Verify that the green check mark is displayed. 2. Check the expiration date of the AED pads. The stat pads for the ZOLL AED Pro has a 2-year expiration and the battery has a 4-year expiration. 3. Check the overall condition of the AED and note of any deficiencies. Each monthly inspection can be logged on the check tag provided for free with each AED. If you have any questions regarding the ZOLL AED Pro, please feel free to reach out to us at 1-800-441-8378 or visit our website at www.aedmarket.com. Thanks for watching.